Okay, hello everybody. Molly here from my channel, Molly Fitz Brown, and we are back at Disney World. So
we're at Magic Kingdom.
We're here.
We're gonna meet birthday Mickey and Minnie.
We are here at Magic Kingdom. We're excited to renew our passes. It's been about 7 months since we've been at Disney, and we have missed it all oh so much. So here we go, Magic Kingdom, some fireworks, and let's see. Hopefully we can meet birthday Mickey and Minnie. We haven't seen them in their new outfits yet. Let's see.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yay!
Woo!
Yes, I'm excited that we get to go to Disney again.
Ooh, and try some treats again. We're excited. Woo! Here we go. Alright, are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you most excited for?
Meeting birthday Mickey in the cafe show.
And the treats. This time I want to do something different.
Here we go, Disney again. Okay, so the tram dropped us off farther than usual. We're like, what? Where are we going? Just a little bit of a walk. That's okay, we're here for exercise anyways, aren't we?
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, so there's a little bit of construction here. This is usually where our tram would have dropped us off. I see why they didn't drop us off here. All right, we are officially walking up. We're getting our passes right now. There's nobody else here, it's just us. Where should we go? Any window? All right, we are officially in. We got our new passes and we got new first time buttons, didn't we? Yeah, it's our first time officially with our new passes.
And today the good news is that I get to pick at
oh my goodness. All right, well we're doing monorail, so here we go. The boys said monorail. This way. Go ahead guys, go. Yay, I'm so excited. We're back in. All right, they ran too fast. Here it comes, guys. So we have been gone for like 7 months, but so much has changed and added even since we've been gone. There's a new parade, new dressed Mickeys to see, all sorts of stuff. Yeah, we did a picture at the front. How exciting. I'll add that in. All right, let's see. Here we go. First, we might go see Mickey.
Yay! And then second treat, third.
Mickey and Minnie.
And then second treat, third.
Part of the reason we came, we are here to see Mickey and Minnie in their birthday outfits. Okay, there's the sign. All right, it says 40 minutes. Here we go. All right, what do you got, Logan? You taking those in with you?
Yeah. Look, I got Mickey ears.
Party Mickey Minnie, all right. Here, show me, what did you get?
I got a birthday Minnie sticker,
what are you talking
a birthday Donald sticker,
You got
and a
a
birthday Mickey sticker.
Birthday Mickey and birthday Minnie? What? How exciting.
They don't have this for a limited time, do they?
We love stickers. The birthday stuff is, yeah, for this year. Yay.
Oh, well then for this whole year, I get...
Aren't they so cute, Logan? Look at the cool Forbes.
Everyone inside down. Priya, and then make a decision of how you want to do the pictures from there.
You're so excited. You got your characters. You got your characters. Goodness, we're so excited. Look, here's their sign.
Mom and Dad, you'll follow them right in up to the other side. Yes. Thank you.
Hi. Oh, we brought our party toys to show you. Isn't that so adorable? She's got polka dots just like you. Yes. Oh, are you showing Mickey your little Mickey doll too? Oh yes, he had to have the little party guys. I love your outfits. Wow. That confetti and the polka dots.
Are you trying to make the little one kiss Mickey?
Yeah, oh, of course.
Of course.
Perfect. Oh, how sweet. I love it. Okay, you ready for a cute picture? All right, give him a cheese. We got video, you got it. Give him.
What over here?
Logan. All right, Mom and Dad will hop in one. Oh, hi, Minnie.
Perfect.
Thank you so much, and happy birthday, your outfits. Oh, I can't get over it. Oh, so cute.
Logan loves them. We look them up
Yes.
Oh, thanks for watching us. I'm so glad you could come visit.
Bye. Good to see you. Bye. Was that exciting?
Man.
Oh, that was so fun. This way to the store. What? And now we get to shop a minute? Wow.
I think they should make Mickey and Minnie dolls.
They should. I bet they have some somewhere. Like your Zoom Zooms. Look, here's a little celebration. That's like my pen. I did my giveaway too. Let's celebrate. Oh my goodness. Look at the Celebrate pins. Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, Pluto, Donald. $30. Those are so cute. Oh my goodness. I really like those. Ribbons. Sparkly shirts. Look, Logan, more celebration. Oh, look how cute the hat is. How adorable. Oh no, they have more party guys.
It's cloudy outside. I don't know if it's raining.
Cute shirt. I think it's just getting dark. Oh, and the celebration shirt. I love it. Oh, wow. Look at the stretchy pants.
What
Cute.
can I get this girl?
Oh.
It can be the toy I get.
Oh, look at the wishables they have now, though. A Mickey squishy. A Minnie squishy.
It's raining.
Let me see. Oh, he's sleeping, Mickey. Aww.
Sleeping in his wizard hat.
He's sleeping in his wizard pajamas. Sleeping Minnie. Oh. Okay, we're pouring rain, so we're stuck looking at the pen wall. Toothpaste. Falls apart rotation. He unlocks the fun. Now he's holding the balloon. What? McDuck money? How cute is that? A pen. Alright, well we're stuck waiting in here for a minute, aren't we? That's some heavy rain, isn't it? You want to show me what you got? Something new for your collection, huh?
I have a birthday Mickey and Minnie, and now I got jail.
Oh, how cute. Perfect for your collection. Woo, it looks a madhouse out here. Okay. So we got caught in a rainstorm, but we made it out. It's sprinkling now. We're at the treat place. Let's go. Treat place. Yes. Yay, we made it. Fresh turtle swords. Oh, the crispy treats you could What did you get? Let me see.
So it's a Mickey Mouse cake pop, a little bit crumbled here.
Oh,
Marshmallow.
give it a go. Let's see.
Marshmallow cake pop.
I want to try part of the cakey part.
I got
That's the head. Oh,
this and this.
wait a minute. This one's my favorite.
S'more, the best thing they have
S'more
here.
is his favorite for sure. I got my favorite, crispy chocolate. Where's yours? We gotta look for your coins, don't we?
It's 17.
I think I'm gonna do this one though. I really like that one. New Alien and Buzz.
See
Jesse.
anything else?
The Aladdin bracelets, huh? Alright, I'm gonna walk through the store a sec. What? A genie. Purple. Purples. I can't believe they have these at the warehouse. Love the sparkly clear still. So cute too. Sparkly Minnie. And what's around this corner? Oh look, some new ones. I haven't seen this one before. With all the classic stuff. Oh, how cute is that? Now they've got the Aladdin little small world bag. Cute. Oh, Florida with a little Mickey. Oh, that's Haunted Mansion bag. Lion King. Oh, how cute. I haven't seen the new Lion King stuff. The big tote. Pink. Red pirate ones. Ooh, super shiny, huh? Oh, Kate Spade's got that. It's pretty cute. Like the backpack still. Big tote bag. Or this one. Yes, we need a good spot for the show.
So you point like this, Logan, and every time you point, another bolt goes off.
It's like the fireworks show before the show. All right, so we are officially in our spot. We have picked for the fireworks. We got the castle back here over my shoulder, and we're getting quite a lightning storm right now as we actually wait for things to begin. Are you guys excited for the fireworks?
Yeah! Yes! Don't scream in my face.
Hey, we are excited because the fireworks at the castle. I don't know why he's a Disney duck. But the fireworks here at Magic Kingdom are really one of my favorite things about Magic
Disney
Kingdom
goes
and having
crazy
castles.
about fireworks. So
They do. They really do it up
They
right.
really launch a lot.
And the castle show. Logan, you wanted to see the castle show?
Yeah.
Yes,
it's
he's
gonna
really
be
excited
beginning
about
in
the
like
show.
about a couple
And that is
minutes.
a lot of lightning that you see flashing. Hopefully we're okay out here. We are
no,
ready
there's
for
another.
the show. All right,
The
so
show will
we have been stuck waiting for the show for like a little while now. From lightning storms.
start.
Yes, the show will
Okay,
start.
Get in your
we're not
seats,
giving up.
people.
We're ready for this show. We're not giving up.
Dreams of all ages. In just a few minutes, Magic Kingdom invites you to enjoy our nighttime spectacular Happily Ever After.
And they all live happily ever
Ever
after.
Yeah, Lion King. Toy Story.
reach out and find your happily ever after.
Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Magic Kingdom as you continue
Okay.
your journey.
What did you guys think?
I loved it.
Oh, I loved it. It makes me emotional every time. What did you think?
Loved it.
Yes, there was no Tinkerbell. I think it was because of the lightning storm that we had to wait on. But oh, I love it. It makes me all teary every time. All right, now we gotta run for the exit. Here we go. Bye bye, beautiful castle. Hi, Logan. Did you have fun?
Yeah,
You excited we have passes again?
yeah. The whole thing was different.
It was different, huh?
Yeah, I remember one thing that wasn't in it.
What?
Even though still the whole thing was different. The whole castle was decorated like a huge wizard Mickey hat.
Oh, you saw that, huh?
Yeah, I remember that.
Okay, what was your favorite part?
The fireworks at the grand ending. I didn't know they'd have so much
Wow,
fireworks.
that was quite a finale, wasn't
And that in a couple days we might actually film an episode where we go to Animal Kingdom and do Mount Everest.
it? Oh, he wants back on Everest really bad. So,
scary.
yes, those fireworks are amazing, but I love the whole song, and they go through every movie and all the emotion of it. Oh, it gets me every time. Loved it. Now we gotta fight through this crowd to get out. Logan's the tallest one in the group. All right, we are walking out to our parking space, Scar 425, right, Logan?
Yeah.
Logan always remembers where we parked for me, so fun day, a little bit of rain in between, but we got done what we wanted to, and it was a good start to our passes. We'll be back soon enough.
I got it.
See you next time.